Hey friends, if you wish to install Bluestacks on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Search for Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. And then you can search for Bluestacks here and hit enter. Okay. Now since it doesn't exist, so you will have to download it from the website. So we will simply search for Bluestacks website and then go there, click on download and click on open corresponding to the exe file. It will need a while to install BlueStacks. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.